Hey everybody, welcome back to the Freedom Motivator channel. Thanks for coming back. Today I wanted to do a quick video on organization, how to help you guys stay organized, as particularly for internet marketers. And anybody actually can do this. It helps you stay organized. Particularly, I know as internet marketers, we all have lots of bookmarks, and that list can get pretty long with all the things, the tools and the things like that we need. I know some of you are probably wondering why I wear this hat all the time as well. This is my favorite hat. As you can see, I'm a die-hard New England Patriots football fan, so that's why I wear it most of the time. And it's not only that, it's my favorite hat too that I have. I got bunches of hats and stuff, so if you're wondering, that's why. But anyways, getting back to what I'm talking about here, I wanted to show you how you can stay organized with your links and all your tools and things like that you have with your business, and so on and so forth. And anybody else can do this too with any bookmarks that you have. So without further ado, let's get right into it here and jump right into it here. I'll show you how to do this. I use Opera browser. That's pretty much my favorite go-to browser right now. I do have Google Chrome, and I use it. It's basically, I use it for other things, and whatever Opera can't do, certainly Google Chrome can, because it's rated the best browser in the world. So I use it also, and you can do the same thing that I'm going to show you in Google Chrome as well. So in Opera, as with Google Chrome, as you'll see here, there's several bookmarks up here on the bookmark bar here. We have it in Opera as well, in all the my other links right here. But my marketing business is, I'm involved in internet marketing, of course, you know about that, and I have all my bookmarks were here, and my list was sticking clear down to here in the thing, and I thought, I've got to get this organized so I can keep everything together and don't get mixed up. I got a tendency to get kind of mixed up here sometimes. I don't know whether it's because I'm 60 years old or not. It could be my head or something, I don't know. But anyways, what I've done here is I've taken, as you can see, I've taken my bookmarks I have, and I've put them in folders under the marketing business tab on my bookmark bar here. And I've alphabetized them to help keep that easier too. And you can, it's pretty easy to do this. Most of you probably know how to do this already, but if you're like me, I have strings of bookmarks clear down here, and half of them unorganized or whatever, and I just thought it'd be a good thing to do here to get these things organized so I can keep my head together. But anyways, so you can see I've got, for your business, I've got this all now where I've got autoresponders here, and then my business, and then domains and hosting, and Facebook sites, particular Facebook pages that I'm interested in, have to do with my business. Google Analytics and Trends, of course, for doing research, keyword research, and things like that, finding out how, what's trending today on the internet, and so on and so forth, and then some different marketing sites that I use, and I have motivational quotes. Now, you guys know I'm into motivation. That's my niche, and so I've got those in there and different things, and those can all be added to easy enough. And then picture sites I use for, like, Instagram, when I'm making pictures for Instagram, and some of the picture sites I use, and then different traffic sources that I have to help drive traffic towards my business. And then, of course, you don't want to forget this one. You got your payment for your payments, and of course that's always important. You want to get paid for your business, right, for your work, so you want to have that. And then I've got my YouTube videos, which you're probably seeing this on right now. So this will undoubtedly grow as time goes on. This will probably get bigger and bigger as time goes on. But just wanted to show you guys that today. It would help you a little bit to stay organized in what you're doing. you know, and you can add any other kind of folders to this. You know, you want, for example, on autoresponders, if I wanted to add a subfolder, it's simple enough just to either come over here and right click, come down to, well, they're not going to let me create a folder here, it doesn't look like. But if I come over here, and I can create a subfolder underneath this one here to add other things into email marketing or whatever different things that you would add into there. You can do that with each one of these things and add subfolders to all those too. I personally don't really like subfolders because it's like having to dig deeper to get to what you want, because you know sometimes you have them, you got your main folder and then you got a subfolder, and they always stretch out, you know, and the more folders you put in there, and then you got to dig down to find what you want. So I try to stay away from subfolders as much as possible and stay with just main folders. Makes it a whole lot simpler and a lot easier to deal with. But anyways, just wanted to show you guys that today, quick video, and show you how to keep yourself organized and help you stay so you can get to things quicker, and because it definitely helps to do that. And teaching myself today too, because I had them strung, like I said, clear down here, and it was a good thing to do that. So I thought I'd share that with you guys. But anyways, yeah, hope you got some value out of that, and that helps you with your business and all. Take a few moments to get yourself organized, and with your bookmarks and stuff and whatever else on your browsers and things too. And you can do the same thing with Explorer, or even in Mac if you're running Macintosh. You can do the same thing there, adding folders and stuff. I'm sure most of y'all know that probably. But anyways, want to do that for you. Stay motivated, stay true, and stay diligent to what you're doing, and you'll reach success. All right, guys, thanks a lot. Appreciate you coming. See you next time. Bye now.